first step is to get a coconut. Second step is to cut the coconut.
Let's cut.
Cut. Believe me, it's tough. If you got a table saw, if you have a good table saw, this job is cake. But of course, I don't. These things they get you nothing in the jungle with these things because they can't break them open. Done with this little devil here. You can see it straight across, and it's got a decent portion where it's going to float, theoretically. We will see. But look how thick the skin is on the coconut. Look how thick that is. I have to get the coconut pulp, the white part, out. So here's the scraper, and you just got to go to it. It's a good thing I'm retired, because otherwise I don't know how much I would have time to do things like it takes a long. It's not easy. So we got to get all the coconut white out. Like I said before, I don't know who could eat this in the jungle when animals eat this, because... Okay, I'm back now. Things we do for our Thai water. I've cut the coconut in half, scraped all the white coconut out as much as possible. I got it in the bowl here. And now what I'm going to do, I got hot water. I'm going to pour it in the bowl with the coconut pulp. And now I'm going to squeeze it to get coconut milk. I'm going to make coconut milk. See, it gets white real quick, the water. It's hot water. And you just squeeze and you're going to get coconut milk. Easy. Like I said, the hardest part is cutting the coconut in half. Got a table saw, this job is fun. You can see how it gets white really, really quick. Pretty amazing. Because when I scraped it, it didn't seem like there was that much juice in it. But you can see, and you get warm, the water warm. Well, you know, as hot as your hand can handle. Well, look, you get, that's your coconut milk. Get a lot. Now we get the coconut milk. I never know this either. I thought you just took the juice from the coconut. But that's the coconut water, or juice, and this is the actual coconut milk. You get from the pulp. You can see you get it. And it's pretty easy. It comes out easy. There's your coconut milk. There's little bits and pieces of the coconut shell, but we're just going to strain that with a cloth strainer. Okay, so we're going to light the egg carton. Try to get that going. Yes, we're getting it. Takes a little while. Light the egg carton. Get that going. And then we'll start putting in the charcoal. Alright, now I just gotta let it, it's starting to kick in. It's pretty easy. These charcoal. Yum is my favorite. I like almost all the time, except for that's it. No boiling. So I'm going to put in a couple of pinches of salt. Not too much. Not that much.
Did you show me like this?
Any salt will do. Okay, here's the ingredients. The first group we're going to put in is this group here. We got the kaffir lime leaves, fresh garlic cloves. This is tamarind. This is garlango. We like the red onions. And lemongrass. This has to go in first. The rest, the tomatoes, the mushrooms, and the shrimp come later, because they cook. I'm going to put in the lemongrass. Okay, this is the garlango. You slice and cut. Almost looks like
You almost think it's ginger, but it's garlango. You could buy it on any out. Almost looks like. You almost think it's ginger, but it's garlango. You could buy it on any outdoor any Thai night market, even anywhere that Thai always have. Okay, so we got all those ingredients. Next is going to be the kaffir lime leaves. These grow wild in Thailand. You can get them anywhere. You're walking around, you can get these kaffir lime leaves anywhere. They give a good smell. Okay. Next, red onion. I'm going to put in just one we cut up. Okay, and then garlic. Garlic cloves. Thais like a lot of garlic. A lot of garlic. So we're going to put all the garlic cloves in. Then tamarind. Tamarind clump. It's all tamarind. And then next is tomatoes. I'll put some more. I like tomatoes. Let's put some more. Okay, and now we're going to let it cook. Stir a little just to get it going. Cover the tamarind and start pouring apart. Yeah. Alright, just let it cook. And this is the first step for tom yum. Any tom yum, whether it's shrimp, chicken, pork. Alright, it's pretty well done. Now I'm just going to put in the shrimp. Save the shrimp for last. The shrimp cooks so quick that you just want a little, you want them red. You don't want them, otherwise they'll get like shoe leather. See this guy, he's not even red yet. But this water this coconut milk is so hot. And that's basically how you make tom yum. Once again, you can review. You'll need mushrooms, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, which you can buy anywhere. Garlango, you get at the market. Shrimp by the taste. So be careful, it could be hot. It is hot. It's good. Now when I eat mine, good. Tastes good. And now when you get your bowl of tom yum, you can do what you want with it. Me, I have this little chili paste I put in. And as crazy it is, I have Italian French bread. I cut it in slices and put it in the gravy or the soup to get it. I just like that taste. That's me.
These are the items my wife will use to decorate her Krathong style or floating flower. Whatever you want to decorate. Some people use flowers, banana leaves, ice cream cones. It is up to you, your own style. But remember, this Krathong festival is for your good luck.
Sing